Welcome back, everyone. Hey, we got a downed bee tree. Some tree company called us and asked if they could cut a limb down, and asked if we could remove some bees for them. We are my wife has stuff to do, so we got kicked out of the house, and hey, why not? We will see if we can extract them. They are not going to be happy, that is for sure. So I have my little helpers out here, Lexi and Lucas, so hopefully everybody is going to be bee stung free. That would be great. But we will get them started. It is going to be in the low teens tonight. It is only 37-ish degrees outside right now, so it is not ideal for this at all. And there is no way that I can. We usually just cut this off and load it up, but there's no way I can move this log at all, so we're going to extract them. It looks like somebody tried to seal them in with some screen. This will not work at all, and so we got to, the bees will just chew right through it. So I'm going to get a smoker lid. There she is. And there she is right there. So we're going to put her right in here. Her hive mate. All right, so we got her. So now what we do, I'll bring you over here. We're gonna take these frames right here. Now this brood right here is probably not going to be salvageable at all. Shake these bees off in there. take her down. Alexi's back. All right. So what we do is we just come over here and we measure these, and I will cut them down to fit in the frame. You know, I'm not worried about the brood for them. Need the more the honey for sure. They don't have very much. They, even with, you know, they might have mated. There's no telling. But even with us doing this, you know, the chances of them making it through the winter is still quite slim. You know, feel better with us getting the queen though. Some of these bee trees, man, the queen can, you know, that hollow could run so far and stuff, and she could just get in and out of there all up into that tree, and man, it's not good at all. So we will put these frames in here. You know, we just rubber band them up the best that you can. We save what we can. You know, I have frames at the house that we can give them food and stuff, but they've been eating. They got fresh nectar coming in from somewhere, so that's pretty good. You know, we try to put them back in the way that they are, in the way that they were taken out of the tree. If we had time, we'd do it a little bit neater. We have a video of another removal in the tree that we did, and that's a little bit of a neater video, but we don't have much time. You got to work with what you got, and this is what we got. Daylight's running out on us and things, so keep you updated on this one though, for sure. See how they fare through the winter. You know, who knows? All right, so there's just some extra comb right here. This old dark beat up comb, we'll take that away. But all right, well, there's kind of I'm sure a very choppy video, probably not the best one at all, not like I do the great videos, but here's all that comb, there's the bees. But you know, quick work of getting rid of a bee tree that was down, and so they occupied this. We got three frames of them out. So what I will probably do if they make it past this cold spell that comes up tonight, there's not very many bees in there. I'll probably just put her in a 3-frame mating nuke and see if we can get her to go and things. But you know, it's just part of it that we do. Help people out when we can. Like I said, my wife needed the house quiet, so brought the kids out. They usually will help a lot more, but you guys can come over here now and stuff. But they had their suits right here, the little flap right here, and they got a bee up in there. And my son is really allergic to. He's not allergic to it, but he swells up pretty bad and stuff. It goes away in a couple couple of days, but you know, we try to not do that, so I didn't watch him. But you can come over here, and we put duct tape on his suit. Come here, but it was a little bit too late. They already got in there and stuff. You can come over here and show them the little duct tape. So this is what we do. We put duct tape right here, you know, down by the zipper to help them out. So, all right, well, we're just gonna get this cleaned up, put the lid on them, get them into the house. We'll take them over to our backyard and see what we can do of them. I'll keep you guys updated if they make it and everything. All right, thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one. See ya.
Bye.